us.
Good morning.
Good
Great
morning.
to be here.
Absolutely. Thanks for being with us once again.
One really great tip to do is just become a master observer. You actually are taking time to notice everything that's going on, and as you do that, you take yourself completely out of judgment, and you put yourself right present in the moment.
How many of you know what a goal is? Raise your hand. All right.
The energy, momentum, leverage comes from decision making. Those of you who chose to stand know that decision making happens in a second. But how do we choose to tell our story really does make a difference. Every relationship you have, whether it's with fear, your decisions, your personal relationships, your professional relationships, it all starts with you. Being in sync is really about being in tune with who you are and what you bring to the table.
If you think about that, the rest of it is all picked up with your senses, with your knowing, with your listening, with your intuition. And what I'm asking you to do is tap into those other senses of who you are. That makes your energy more palatable to those around you.
And it's inside of all of us, and that's your knowing. How do you tap into your knowing? First lesson in being out of sync is to notice when you're out of sync. But when you're under a lot of stress and you're not acknowledging that this is a different situation, that you're out of sync, there's often denial and avoidance. Doing this will help you find a greater purpose for yourself because you're going to be turning on a different part of who you are. And it allows you to be a little bit more courageous because you don't know the answers. And when you're in that space of not knowing, you're actually quite incredibly powerful. This is really you. This is you tapping into you and your truth.